Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky.
Nukpɔlawo meda akpe na mi abalị ke mi tsia be Nyigba TV abe miaƒe Biafra kɔkɔe ke miatse kakple ŋdi sia ŋdi le miaƒe wɔnawo katã me yi ke doa ŋusẽ mi, yi ke tuna mi ɖo yi ke fiana mi ŋu le Nyigba TV ƒe ŋdi wɔnawo katã me. Tɔni magbɔe nyawoe zɔ do na mi be da akpe na mi abalị ke mi wɔ ɖeka kpakple ŋutɔxe ɖe le egbatɔ me. Egbe ƒe dzinu gbãtɔ ƒe ŋkeke blaatɔ̃a enye ŋkeke tɔxɛ aɖe yi ke ŋuwo dzɔdzɔm le akpakple akpa ɖe sia ɖe yi ke kpasi akpa kpatɔ nɔ ge tɔxɛ. Mi gɔmedze gaba le ke mi nya ene kple miaƒe nya ɖeka va ɖokui ŋgɔ tso na mia ɖokuiwo ɖo alo kɔ kplɔ na mia ɖokuiwo ke ne mi zɔ ɖe ŋgɔa miakpɔ ŋkawo nye nyadzɔdzɔ totiwo le miaƒe ŋutɔ ameho ŋutɔ ame fia alebe mia atrɔ yi ɖe egbe kple Ghana katã axixa me. Tɔni magbɔe nye miakpɔ ŋɖoŋkui dzi be Tɔni magbɔe le Facebook, miate ŋu miatsaka kpakple mi to Facebook. Nenema ke Nyigba TV ke dzi mi ƒom le alo miakpɔm le hã ele Facebook. Mi le Facebook fifi la le Nyigba TV dzi. Ta ne yi le Facebook dzi Nyigba TV ko like, share, comment na tsɔ si na mia ɖe edzidzi efia be lɔ mi na share na lo miaƒe ka yi ke dzi miakpɔ na kɔ da ɖe wo status atutu ɖo ame sia ame wɔkpɔ yi katã na kpo de si be ŋutɔxe aɖe edzim le mia gbɔ nenema ta ɖe wo lɔlɔ afia mi ma. Ke miaƒe taŋu susu ŋutsotso kple aɖaŋuwo katã va to comment section le Facebook hã si ke mi kpo de si be ne mi wɔna vɔ hafi comments wo te va na alo yi o ta mi dze gɔme ko miadze gɔme kple mi si ɖeka. Nɔmba ɖe hã le TV dzi yi ke nye 0242670773 0242670773 yi ke dzi miate ŋu ato achie ekakpakplim ke ina wo dango popile ne tengo na English bo ku har kuma la tado voice message la mi alo audio da mi ko mi akhlo kata me da pene mi kata all right mi ajo ko cho mi ap nya ite ko to mi aro kiro ko to ji po ne mi aro ko zo mi ap zo ne no no tatara mi ap tv oji ike nchi ongo nya do makhle English go mafi ade ko stop telling people everything. Move in silence, build quietly, let results make the noise. Stop telling people everything, move in silence, build quietly, let results make the noise. So that's what a skillful artist put out there. And it says we should stop telling people everything about us, our plans, our aspirations, our next big moves, and let's build in silence and let's build quietly also. I think it's the same. You move in silence, build quietly, and let results make the noise. A lot of times, we have friendly enemies, people who were friends, but because of the next big moves we are making, because of the success stories that we have, the praise reports we have, and the breakthroughs we are making, they become enemies. So we are seeing the hand of a person shaking a friend or another person, but somehow the the thumb of the one shaking is actually a venomous viper or a serpent or a snake. So you be careful about the friends you make and the friends you keep and stop, bragging and blabbing so much about what you think is your victories and what you think is the success that you are making. You no kwalo na mami apa wana goma jam dia. Amare tena na kodara ya valoji ke makpo. Aro iva iko do jijno ema lidari ke barao ta. Ira ko goglombe ina gano ya pa nasinya bona me shamu mi strong le ko zona le do dijijime a strong le ke o tuna mi aro kyo ro alo o wana ntepe le do dijijime ne mion to mi apa ntepo ple mi apa ngoyi ya na pung na roki ni maga chiji an goglombe bo nyale be awenye dodo ya lele shenye adamwe ya lele tamini nemi jichin pelifon na matatata jigera micho miapa nyao dare guta abo maru nyo miapa kono kaka amana ba jeng kono kaka mago ko afuto hono roli amanyo hono ba kaka de mi kana bawo alo ngoi ke email alo mtefe ko na ka ngaka ato trogerin shiu ke ama mai ke no hono po agava trozo wo futo ta nanya am beto ko nya glo email ko ke adam ga ehia ne mia pazone. All right, so that's a motivational message for today. Yo mia zorango akbo nka nye ajụjụ ka dutum chu nyape ntuomele afia gba na de le miagbo yike o be mia a chodare duaja alo gba na de le miagbo yike o chone ajụjụ kakapo kata echo Ministry of Health alo miape lamase do ofua alo do pe ke kuna pa lamase nyaoji ke do maka yike le tadre miape do lamase chogbana ya jodnya jojo kakapo kata na dare duaja. Press release inauguration of investigation committee to probe alleged medical kalabuli practices. Press release from the Ministry of Health, inauguration of investigation committee to probe alleged medical kalabuli practices. 1. The Honorable Health Minister Kwabena Minta Akando MP has constituted a 7-member investigation committee to inquire into alleged unethical medical practices at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital and the Greater Accra Regional Hospitals, that's REACH, Two, the investigation committee is chaired by Alhaji Dr. Fam Inua Yusuf, Esquire, Head, Director, Legal Affairs, Ministry of Health, and is composed of the following members: Dr. Eric Kofi Injedu, CEO, Cape Coast Teaching Hospital and Dean of CEOs for Tech Teaching Hospitals; Dr. Adam Abbas, Neurosurgeon, Tamale Teaching Hospital and President, Ghana Academy of Neurosurgeons; Dr. George Sabla, Deputy CEO, Technical Operations of Food and Drugs Authority, FDA, and representative for FDA; Dr. Nicholas Ajabu, Biomedical Engineer, Biomedical Engineering Unit, Ministry of Health; Dr. Frederick Kwateng, Representative, Ghana Medical Association, GMA, and Head of Department of Trauma and Orthopedics and Department of Accident and Emergency of Kolebu Teaching Hospital; Professor John Osai Kwapon, Democracy and Development Fellow, CDD Ghana, and REP, Civil Society Organization, CSOs; the key objectives of the committee are: one, to conduct a comprehensive and independent inquiry into allegations of unethical medical practices at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital and the Greater Accra Regional Hospital REACH, to assess the adequacy and effectiveness of existing governance, oversight, and control systems in preventing unethical, unauthorized practices within the affected health facilities. The committee has been directed by the Health Minister to submit its final report and recommendations to the Ministry by 10th February 2026. The Ministry of Health assures the general public of its full cooperation with the committee and reiterates its unwavering commitment to upholding ethical standards and restoring public confidence in Ghana's healthcare system, issued by Tony Goodman, Head Health Training Institutions and spokesperson for the Minister for Health. Banadel miagbo iko miko dare yapology. Yi kenye banade ike edo elabe nyataka reva do nchoreva ibe medical kalabuli practices alo kalabuli alo fitiviti ye gym le achike khokokple nana le miapo konji evoyo ke nku nchinya kuro nye Kolebu Teaching Hospital pakle Greater Accra Regional Hospital REACH Hospital kambe ko tafon koma yo ko jimeno la nye apeto Alhaji Dr. Inua Yusuf wowe Minister Toshiba woba pupu alebe wakang adenku wona kata gym le miapo konjo achikao pe vanyenye ohoho aleko chika mame alo jami efina no do jima enfitisi alo do jima alaba jame nyajojo kaka do na redeng nano fia ikejeje wa be enfitisi on gbegbon jim afimi ajoje nyamama ode doshine do ame hapopo alo takbe haya be odenku konjo ko do nam ke agbanji glo yo gbagba jembe nushangwe ke ojebe yowo aba nyatepa na dogo yowe ke yo Ministry of Health konji tolo ha yo le klalo be yo adabo bomene dola yo ke bona ngmapu ke paplo aba nyatepa na dogo. So that's what we have. That's the pressure we have. I think that's the key pressure we have for today. All right, me aidahoWide.com. Akbo nyajojo kawe le miapo nto mafia ha wholewide.com. GUNU inspects breaks ground for Akachi South project. So that's a main story we are seeing there. Miapo amuganto njikbola Honorable James GUNU eno Akachi South ntome anya Akachi ntonto Akachi monang le etsɔ yi ke va yi me ke eɖe kpe do ewɔ anyigba be wotu teƒe tɔxɛ aɖewo ne sukuviwo kple kɔŋdziwo le nutoma me. Enye nya ɖeka le afi ma mikpɔ ge ɖe akpi ɖe ko. NDC opens doors to new members. Efia be National Democratic Congress tɔwo ƒe gbalẽdziklaka ƒom tsɔ Honorable Fifi Fiavi kɔ te kpi ɖe kɔ gbɔgblɔm be egblɔ nya zã gake ɖeka nye be fifia yewoʋu agbɔ wo amewo ke be yewozu gbalẽ dzi NDC hamenɔlawo ame ke le togodo ko ame yiwo ke be yewoge ɖe NDC me alebe ɖaseɖigbalẽ nanɔ si alo hamevi gbalẽ nanɔ yewo sia wote ŋu adze gege ɖe yewo dzi ye hã le afi ma. North Tongue Road Project gets green light. North Tongue project road project gets green light. I think that's also here. Kofi Adams shines spotlight on best teacher in the Jasikan district. It's also here. Then government pledges inclusiveness in health delivery. So I think these are the big stories we are finding here. Machno deka ko mia zorengo. Ta ne TV ajikpoma story Mike Banto Michael Afma Gunu. I think we should do that one. Gunu inspects breaks ground for Akachi South project. The Volta Regional Minister Honorable James Gunu has embarked on a series live for residents in Akachi. Ta miapo ntoma jikbola Honorable James Gunu kono tata majema afma district chief executive la Akachi South. Ikenya Akachi Antontonto ke pireko va de kpedo be le duodome be wotu sukuxɔ 6 units sukuxɔ le duodome alebo otu library alo gbalẽnɔƒe tsitsa hã ƒe nɔƒe gbalẽxlẽƒe nusrɔ̃ƒe woyi dzi yi ɖe zuta kple wo dome alebe wode kpedo be wotu kɔŋdziviviwo ɖe afi ma. So and that's what we have. Please, can we have Mark Bo smear less screen actually? NDC opens doors to new members nationwide. The National Democratic Congress has officially opened registration for new members, marking a significant step towards its 2026 internal elections. All right, so Piragua. Tso ƒedzinwu ya ke me dzege mia ƒe ŋkeke wua va ɖo ƒedzinwu etɔ̃ ƒe ŋkeke blatɔ gba ame sia ame ke dzi be yeaŋlɔ ŋkɔ azu NDC tɔ ne ege ɖe eƒe NDC office ke te ɖe ŋuti kɔ eŋlɔ ŋkɔ nɛ ke zu efia be ele agbalẽ me be enye NDC tɔ menye le akɔdada ɖe me ko. So that's General Secretary of the party said that yesterday. And North Tongue Road Project gets green light. I think we have that one there also. The District Chief Executive of North Tongue, Honorable Victoria Yawa Amafaji Do, has held a crucial meeting with stakeholders ahead of the official commencement of the Sege Batomepe Road Construction Project. The meeting brought together engineers from the Ghana Highway Authority and the Ghana Greater Accra Feeder Roads, as well as other key stakeholders to kickstart the 31.2 kilometer road project expected to be completed within 24 months. So, Pirakwa, cho North Tongue Ntuame, Momafia, Ikenye, Victoria, Amafaji, Yawado, Anongone, Takoko Tohereka, Ijikle, Tomokakona, Amodudu, Latoji. Moi que tu se geva to bato vai dure me foi fanya glomole o mama gomo jem alave o khise be le pove me tututu a enye jimblave bo anme tutu a bo wu mama nka le miape sege bato me foi mo magia mi khise be jebe dona jago da. That is that from that constituency. Migale miape among tome ke miwa dore Akachi North. Yeah, nana haji mafuma. Alunani jafma. Government pledges inclusive development in Akachi North. And in a show of commitment to grassroots development, the Volta Regional Minister, Honorable James Gunu, alongside with the MP for Akache North, Honorable Peter Nochukotoe, and the DC, Bless Kojo Katamani, led a series of sword-cutting ceremonies and major inspections aimed at boosting healthcare, education security, and local commerce in the district. The delegation cut sword for the construction of chiefs compounds at Zemu and Mechikasa, as well as two nurses quarters at Zemu, making a significant step towards improving healthcare infrastructure. The team also inspected the stalled Agenda 111 hospital project at Avedagba, engaging stakeholders on ways to ensure its completion. And in the education sector, the government has initiated the construction of a 3-unit classroom block at Zemu and Nitahuta and 3 teachers' quarters at Zemu aimed at enhancing quality teaching and learning. And additionally, sites have been handed over for the completion of a new police headquarters and a 2-story, 40-room shopping mall at Avedakpa, expected to enhance security and boost local governance. Lakachi no sintomo ike Avedakpa lokwa o lezemu o wo dutu do wonaro amoma fia na ntoma Honorable Bless Kojo Katamani bele Honorable Peter Nochukoto Kenya ope member of parliament alo se otakpe menola bele mianto miafe amugan to ejikbola Honorable James Gunu wowe no tepoya ke chiefs compa alo konjivi omove o le Zemu bele Mechikasa fifia o je dogome ke donjikbola alo neso fwe mlofe ejegome le Zemu ke oga yirengo vado Agenda 111 konji ike oje tutu le jiru hoko vaila feda kwa konji ganto toto nye ke do chi takbo o doje ple do magan lo do la fuma alebe okobele ke yo we alebe dona yirengo ke Honorable James Gunu ben to eje aforo de minister kata lengo ne doma lukpona domoji ogbagba jembe doma chi takboko dona ayingo ke le sukukpaji ha o je sukuxɔ tutu alo o je sukuxɔ tutu le Zemu kple Nyitahuta afi titsawo mlɔƒe hã le Zemu o je titsawo mlɔƒe hã tutu le Zemu exɔ ɖewo hã wotu wo xoxo wotu exɔ ɖewo xoxo alebe wotso safia da asi ne titsawo ke kpovitɔwo ƒe dɔwɔƒe yike nye dziƒoxɔ agbasasa ɖeka yike wodze tutu ɖe mɔto le Dakpa yike tsi takpo hã wova kpoe alebe wo de ɖoɖo to kple be woyi dɔma dzi ke exɔ blane ƒe fiase gã aɖe yike le Avedakpa hã yiƒe enya ele tɔme majidzi wɔwoe hã ta numawoe dzim le akatsi ŋutɔme eŋuwo dzim afi ma zã ke miase mɔ ɖe afi ma. Mi gale howyday.com miakpɔ nu kawoe ga le afi ma hã ke Ghana Gets Boost for Big Push program Big Push program ga gbogbo aɖe tso gbetadukɔ me va ne miaƒe dukɔ ƒe gadzikpɔla eƒe nɔnɔmea tata edzedzem le miaƒe TV dzi ne miakpɔ Ghana Gets Boost for Big Push program. I will discuss that later. Nepo ga nyi plafina mi enyamejojo owoge album kpekpo bonye no gadon kuji be mi mokpom ne miaƒe mɔmefia Honorable Stephen Adom ihe be ogere miadzi le gbaƒe wɔna me la dzero tɔxɛ aɖe me don kuji be kɔsia ke va yi miaƒe member of parliament Honorable Kotosu eno miaƒe dzi wɔna me ta James Gunu ho mayor Stephen Adom yike nye mayor for ho gegegedze le nyamejojo mo kpare. So Ghana Gets Boost for Big Push program ga gbogbo eva tso gbeta va ne Ghana dukɔ to miaƒe Minister for Finance alo gadzikpɔla gã Dr. Castella Tofose dzi yo nɔ tata ma dzedze ma fi ma mi nyame me dzro ge mi eme ku ge eye ge ɖe to eme nakɔ. NEC sets resignation timelines. Fifi koete wɔnɔ tata dzedze ma fi ma ha kpi ɖe ko gbɔgblɔm be fifia na ma ɖe be ya government le government me dɔ le si wɔwɔ wa se an appointee afi yo gabe ya gatrɔ gava xo position alo dɔ ya gava xo dɔ awɔ le partia ma ke dze be wɔ da si dɔ ko mo le ŋtsi dziŋu ade afi wɔ va abe ava nɔ te abo be party chairman for instance ne enye district chief executive le kpɔ ɖe me enye mɔ me fia ne be ava zu party executive a homɔ nubono bli homɔ na nya be dze be ya da si dɔ ŋtsi gba nkeke dziŋu ade sɔŋ nyama li mi ke susu nye nya mi ha me joge ne po ganyi plafa yina ta o no toji ko ama koko ge. Ukraine receives bodies of fallen heroes. 1,000 bodies of fallen heroes of the Ukrainian army have been received from Russia. That's interesting. I think I would like to read that story very soon. Na kpo mi TV ya kpo be ocho gbeto makuku amayin gbogbo akpere kablibo to Russia to come cover Ukraine. Alafma Bawumia strong case for MPP's victory. Acho Bawumia pom enye even pom amna yiko ku oboblombe cho kaka Professor Edubu Ahenji wado je ekufoji wato nana do danko akufuado wawunde yaya yento Dr. Mabudu Bawumia je amareke meba notere NPP pe ticket je gbanto ko jikpo le Ghana kata pe akoyomi danam mekpe Edubu Ahenji mekpe Kufuor mekpe nana mekpe into le jigbanto mo kaka de yo va le yo pokpochi ma lo le party ape enu yo jo yo lera nyi dadi na yo va kpo ame yi ke jagbagba dafu yi megbe gbogbo va wo dododo ka trova ka jagbagba ke ye tendu na jita ye Mahamudu Bawumia yi ke jagbagba kpo be ya zo du kokplola la ko ke mi da va ya fi mekpa yo eyi a onya eho ta ashileng I am marketable I'm formidable if we untele nchi yekwe abame kenye vice president va yekleto yike ponkodiwu yike strong yike fifia ye va la opposition hamu nyama zo nyale ko woni we no eye nyama ni to ka ke le boda kona le memira ke gbona be a cho flaga ne Yoruba Party. So NDC names Madi Gibril as acting director of election. So we will look at all that when we have the time. Maide GBC Ghana Online briefly. GBC Ghana Online briefly. Magloba story adele world le hoide.com ike ajo machle amakbewu. I think we should just stay there. Foreign heroes to Russia. Ukraine receives bodies of fallen heroes from Russia. In a poignant development, Ukraine has received the remains of 1,000 soldiers from Russia, marking one of the largest repatriations since the conflict began. The handover, facilitated by the International Red Cross, underscores the human toll of the war, which has ended its fourth year, According to Ukraine's coordination headquarters for the treatment of prisoners of war, the bodies were returned in phases over recent weeks, primarily via exchange points along the front line in Donetsk and Kharkiv regions. Defense Minister Rustem Umerov described the returned soldiers as heroes who will be given proper burial. Oh, ayo Russia badagba akbereka o tro fonchila kupo Ukraine badagba akbereka yoko ku le Russia vanyi baji le avango Pointila kuku trovado Ukraine do come. Alove uchobe bonodi. And that's big deal, That's big deal. All right, there's some other interesting things here at the world. Trump's public shuttle gets a makeover. Obogloma Trump chiching lama sama galang mutafifia. One do interesting story there. Settlers brutal push to clear West Bank. Israel Pavagalafia. Melania Trump documentary banned in South Africa. All right, let's leave that. Me get a GBC gun online. January politics. All eyes on MPP's flag bearer contest. I mean GBC Ghana online. Akbo amaton yoke le bakbajembe ono tikiti jine NPP as of flag achola la koi daga igboname. Echo ike memragbe ameshame ike le MPP me ike nyakamechi le gorem akodaga kempo kwabna J Jina Kwabena J Makbo businessman Kennedy Japan Makbo businessman Brian Achampo, Dr. Brian Achampo Makbo Alhaji Dr. Mahabudu Bamia economist, but educationist and intellectual Dr. Eric Educhum Olafma Achonyakaka. Upper East Region MPP delegates arrive in Boga, Tanga, ahead of flag bearer elections. La Boga Tom MPP, I'm a Bukbo, I'm a Chachon, over, La Boga Tom, of Wovavam, oh, Judge Ramrona, a Chonyankaka. All eyes on MPP. Works and Housing Minister urges state housing to redefine affordable housing delivery. All right, let's look at what we have here. Also, me none of my GBC Ghana Online. No, afmavie Magbona. Nemi cho GBC Ghana Online mi apudu avadore my joy online akbobe nkaweji mafmata jiru domaka kekpona apo ho apo am ike amamlopo pedopo nyaoji gbogbo nweje be mia gbogbo mia ododo cho dola amekenya vedomisi dola pwe dede nonogbo ajagbagba be mitu ho elabe hoyo ke mitutu na ma o woten a
by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws throw stones, never ask what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only the sky can says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky, can we rise by helping others? So feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only the sky can says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another?
Yo, miaƒe nukpɔla me da kpena mi ava le ke mio tsatsato hema be yono Vemba TV bo ndi sia ndi le miaƒe ndi wɔnɔ katã dzi me na mi nya be gbatɔ ele tɔxɛ mɔmefia yi ke nye amekuƒe tɔxɛ yi ke ƒe ŋgbe me do na mi ele gbɔnye ho ta wonye be ame tɔxɛ yawo ɣeyi menɔnɔ ŋuti o ta míawo ganyi no kra ganya na ƒo eye wova kɔ míawo ge kpata ale be mia aɖasinti wodzo ayi eƒe dɔ gbogbogbò yiwo ke dzi yim le miaƒe ho tsitsina ametsiãŋto ame dzi ta Honorable Stephen Adom ye nye nye amekpekpe woizɔ
yo
egbe nye zigbãtɔ ne gegem ɖe mia dzi le Venyigba TV dzɔdzi na miaba le ke mi kpɔ koa ne va ame ɖewo dzi be zigbãtɔ yi ke dukɔkplɔla tsiãwo be nanye miaƒe mɔmefia ezãzãzã dzie mi nɔ eye ne va ɖo zãtsiƒe me yɔ eŋume ke wokpekpe ne ge ɖe dzi mi ɖo adze ta le ke ne lɔna nyadzɔdzɔ dɔwɔƒo ne sa miaƒe dɔ gɔme ale ke mi kpekpe ne dukɔ ŋuti be miado bublu mi ke dukɔkplɔla wɔm kple mi wɔm le miaƒe ŋutɔ ma enye mi ke dɔ dzidzɔ na ŋutɔ ta medo izɔnɔ tɔxɛ
yo akpe yo le tɔsi
mawie eyo ke mi dze be yi ɖe koa miage ɖe enya gbɔ miatsɔ ko be edeƒe ɖeka nye dukɔkplɔla exɔ dukplɔ ŋusa be wòkplɔ du ale be miawo hã wona mi mɔkpɔkpɔ miawo ŋuteƒe madzi be naɖe na miwo ke ne wɔ ŋu na mi kpokpli ɖe tɔtɔtɔ le agbledenyawo me
akpe hafi ma edzi amadede ma zãmɔ nukpɔkpɔ amado gbe ne nyaselawo katã especially miaƒe agbledelawo miaƒe asimenyɔnuwo miaƒe driverwo yevudowalawo katã titsawo ado gbe na wo mado dɔnɔ na wo eye woawo le dɔ dzi yewoawo le dɔ wa hafi dukɔ le ŋgɔgbe yi mado dɔnɔ na wo miaƒe party member pete medo dɔnɔ na mi sɔ miava wo babia gbɔ le agbledenyawo ma gbã yime va la me trɔ ɖo ɖokui ne dzi be ele be mi da agble ta medze agbagba ɖe sia ɖe be mia allocate afi yiwo assembly ƒe anyigba wole place wo mi azã teƒe mawo akɔ dze míaƒe agbledede gɔme. For now, I'm even settled there. Akrofu, assembly by anyigba de la Akrofu. I'm even settled there. Eyaji. As I speak to you now, il preparatory works over. I do you go the film? The preparatory works over. Please sube near a takeoff. We want to go into all year round farming. So the dam is already there. There's water in it. We have acquired water pumps. And the things that we need to farm, Lami, Mijawaba, Ifofun, Lepeyama, Nya a takeoff. I the site Ajagulede the government. Kakele Mama Bechela, na Dujesia, Epeiva Imela, National Farmers Day. Odule eho ta eyache nyenu ike meza otere agric minister on place when pede yafa glede la on ogbona the 50 agric service centers olugbe le Ghana Gudu le Ghana Gudu la we have about 275 constituencies ta neme lobby la Matia akpɔgbo me le 50 ke gbɔna mo. Mi le agbagba to mo de sia de nu be miawo abe o central henye to xɔdua miawo tse ɖeka ka miasi.
Akpe yo nyawo ne gblɔ dzodzi na mi ŋutɔ enye nya ye ya de le nya nye tome be 50 agric service centers be gbagbadze ge be ya ado afɔ ne ɖeka kokoko va miaƒe ŋutɔ mafia. Kama bia fi mi ayereje nko wona le agric service center doka wona le fuma
agric service center enye teƒe ike wakɔ equipment obetere harvester we tractor we nuyo nkububu mo yo zana kɔ dagla gede wakɔ ve ane bɔkɔ eva nu ike dziɖuɖu de to menye be nenu mawo va la ame yiwo katã di be ne yiwo da gla ne yava register le fuma ko wa ava aŋlɔ teƒe na wɔe woaŋlɔe na wɔe wontɔ aƒa wo nukuwo pete nenye be yiyi ɖo dzi be nagaxa nukuwo la woagabubu atrɔ va ava xa nukuwo na wɔe ke ga yiwo he kpɔ tso wo nukuwo dzadzra ma woaɖe ga ɖe ega yi ke wogblẽ ɖe machine wo zazã ŋua woaɖe ɖe le me ke wokɔ susue na wɔe. Ta magano abe ele gadi be ne machine never ŋlɔ nu ne alga le gadi be machine never xanu na ya magano sigo ta ame yiwo ke di be ne yiwo da gble ne nya va nya register ko la wava machine wava wado na we
akpe yo nukpɔlɔ me adze tɔxɛ aɖe ɖo kple miaƒe bubunatɔ yi ke nye mɔmefia le xɔ tsitsina ametsantɔ me kanye miaƒe municipal chief executive it's as simple as that ye ajeron kpakplim ke 0242670773 nye number yo ke dzi miatato abiam babia alo adogbene alo ne nane li ke me kono ne be abia atonga we kpata tso number ma dzi 0242670773 awo menye begayom o mi ngolong na matangolong na mana nangule alo na do voice message na mi mia to do sa mi ankole aplau kple kodjovia koƒe to kparo ga ko hanye Ghana to wo mi ta do voice message na vocal kwa mofuge ko nyi kalama mana honorable nasi yo mi so zom dan ko mi pa cherura me honorable mi jimi anya ke english oba infrastructure modo do ho tutu konje tutu mo do yejile banto ke ba yimale mi apo ho nto ya ma
enu infrastructure project o easy bele ho nto mala pe ivaima mais vous zonal council den of ici ikele to kokoi et l'avait toko vous kindergarten block na ole fuma mevu mechanized borehole ande fuma le whole sports stadium wa akobe totoro de ba fuma whole sports stadium wa apemia wa me National Farmers Day play economic trade fair la ni jawagba be ni trote pe vide which is rehabilitation yebo yone mi wato le fuma mi a continue le pe yame nele nkude mi ape modudu ganji chule eho kaka do sokode ya media ne kata ne no bushi run about no bushi ape meva kake imeva mejawagba de sia de run about ola mi do gbe de fifila carpet grass de fima ni le media ne jirado esiai close subete pe ma oneko ne duo meneko le mi abasima asie tepio le kakaka gata o gakoyo kodo gata o jibiti ogle amo le moduduji le nutra le pavement oji me jawagba ni de gako le gata oji wa concrete slab o koda de jibiti tepe yo fiafio no korodo osina tona because metal work you do le big market unbiti ya jawagba seal work design block fio he nyafa no jirala o nona inona pavement ejia jawagba de sia de be mi wa chain link defuma le sube umaga ano pavement ejiba ajiranu miape monyawe la meza drip machine kojra hojo takola mojidro le sube moma ano mutuabu nemiato as I speak to you now la contractor le momaji le mowa review fe kakaba ya krofua na lenkure una fuma menyu ro ebo tipa track o plemi abebola container ozo na fuma meja babe meheji neyi na akrofu to le sokode ya akrofu a bridge ever do egle but as I speak to you now la we were bridge mafo bridge kaka by mid of February no ya ne tepe ne bridge nya popular ya asil LGBT media dogede ugome at various stages abaleke maybe abia question so ma sele fuma go
akpe ene mfuma onfolo ashia deme da ni kama biachon ma ka kunye bo gburu yo ke no na ashia o edi kan no na me apo gota o enenke ashigba pota pakata podi manya share de ko aka kporan ko me male na yinya pa nto makata afia do ko gota ru makata o yokuledi na vadi do kawe ne detuma kawe ne kotana ble nkawe ka koto cho mia pa di plak baro fanya mon che kinya ku khena nto man
la nya de pamela kama va me pobe de do no na sieme akenu me wanye be me ho market manager me ho assistant wo me veni the kala ele in charge of sanitation da ya kona sanitation na ogbo la sieme bete da esi ayi kwa mi kule mi le kaji mi me deje si enye be jidudu pe dodo yo wa kule zuma yon to be no mi ape dodo ocho ide akrofu dumping site la e ko be dodo ma o le te pe gake o me ba no gbenu do ocho kaba awe ni na mo kolonu a o kanede asieme alo na mo kolonu la o chone na ameyo petago be pakume view how be kone no be no kofu gbene o wa ko na o fa series ke o ko ba dare bodume alo ko dare asiapen kume ta ni dodo you amele be fifilara I am engaging a lot of cleaners go wa no asieme be ame yo lagbadoa umaga kolasiemu gabe klina wonto wa kolasiemu biti ahagbedu do alore kuibaromi akoma pore container me da me da biabnu wa container unemi be container yo ha no asiema manye container de cow at least container wa meve asie ha ile trogba azu me de ma tu monope de asieme kihimi atore akotrozu 24-hour market please sube examen ebe oju amo di asivoa ke amebubu gale asiema nyata yi aba akeli na asiema alo ajira asiema do ape nwa ake enye dodo yo mele de tu de aba siba be charge ni no no.
Okay, akpa honorable Tibinado ikene mi apo mo me fe ale ho nto mafia yenye nyama kokko to khia de le egba pendi wonaji kanye nto mi akpo me Tony Macboy me da kona mi bale ke mi apo babia o bava menye akpo ne hanchi ba wona na chofo ke majibe afi honorable na ayi de nyajia okpugbo adana no gomna no ba mo po na no shiama hoshia kano gola teƒe ɖoli anyigba ɖoli nenema le hosia me ka afi miaƒe ŋuto me katã ne mi dzo le asiame abe miaƒe aƒewo me kple tɔ abɔ teƒe aɖo fia amewo me gatsi dzi egbe ɖoko gbe kɔŋkɔ gbe ƒu ɖe mɔto ato dzo ŋu ɖe bɔla dzi yi ke le wo ŋutɔ ƒe aƒe ŋkume ne tsi dza ɔgawi akaka ɖe ŋutɔ katã me assembly aɖe ɖoɖo aɖe li ne tua katã afi akpa alodze le sia ɖeke le teo abe mɔmefia ne ŋuto le sia ɖe ŋuto vivia me tsia ŋuto me mɔ katã ɖe ɖoɖo aɖe li nenema na wo katã.
Akpe gba bia gbe tso mlɔƒe le assembly market asiema lorry park station a mlɔƒe teƒe le fuma ike miaza akɔtu mlɔƒe is just going to be a lodge. Amova na sime amero chona chu suga kope aba no in 1 week ajiranu in fact me ile GPRT to be fuma ne ko GPRT to fa ingba le fuma be ya kope amomlan emulodu da ajiranu voa aga ko va ikoji menu da ne mi tumulo pe no he mi ko ne ba mlan kwa he o 20 cities trala alechi amlan a very secure place fana no fimi amero ochona keta acho enla kove ne okola ve nenema over egbe afia bajira no cho omepo mlope amro amro chuna kumasi abadi aselefia omepo mlope amro omepo tepe yiwa ko ubenu ziola ne yebo meple novo dodo ma okata yonyenu me kode dodo me yana tababe mi atumlo pe na me ma okata resube ne yebo vakwa akpɔmlɔ pamɔ teƒe le asie me eye miawoe gakɔ yi ɖe dzia eba mɔ wɔna gbeɖuɖɔ akɔkɔ ɖe teƒewoe atɔ dzo yi ɖewo akɔ ƒo ɖe gɔta me le nyawo nya teƒe me la me bia hygiene officerwo le school of hygiene I need more people mia assessment municipality akatã miakɔ miaƒe ŋkuwo akɔ da ɖe amewo dzi teƒe yiwo miekɔna enu yi la ne wòahiã miaɖo amewo teƒe ma ne nya ame yiwo nya le gbeɖuɖɔ kɔ ɖe gata me kɔa woaɖe fotowo aɖe videowo akɔ vɛ ne mi which is an evidence then we will prosecute some of the people miakplɔ akɔ yi ɖe assembly court yi woalewɔe ado fe ne wo ne mekpɔ gaxe wa ke na yi nava nɔ eme vi ɖe ke awɔ be vɔvɔ aɖo amewo me be woatasi gbeɖuɖɔ ƒo ɖe mɔdodowo dzi kple gɔtawo me be miaƒe dume nakɔ.
Yo, honorable miazɔ ŋgɔ eganyawo miawo katã ga wɔ ni ga wɔ ŋu minya be ega ɖewo etsɔna dziɖuɖu gbɔ vana ega ɖewo hã nye miawo ŋutɔ mia adzɔga yi ke mi dzɔna le ŋutɔ me eneva ɖe leke ganyawo nɔ yi ke tɔtrɔ kawoe va le ganyawo me.
Akpe le nyawo nyateƒe me la yi ke me va ganyawo míaƒe IGF a nye ga yiwo xɔna kple Gayo Donam New York Pomele Fifilala. I think we have gotten about 25% increment. 25% increment in our, if not more than that, then I can only tell you that we have gotten at least 25% increment. Let me have a IGF or COCOME. Let me have a common fund. Pakpajia, Menoglobe, President Mahama, near the district assembly all this time. To you katami de to me filala. To iba Menoglobe teacher, but to you katami de to me filala. At least, never contractor who to le Kosera Igomela, we can go straight ahead and pay them 70% of their money. The Yukata, the President Mahama, Sukuko Yomi Miatu, Health Center Yomi Miatu, accommodation Yomi Miawo, play Niape, Borehole Yukata, or Milevifilala. We can at least pay them 70% of their money because President Mahama has resourced the assemblies this time around.
Wow, yo, ke majimaga akpo gonsese weare chomioma wonto assembly ke unela awona doro ike alona moro mi pona gato moro atato chido pele achomo popo ya adengmene dumevio we wase gamau jojo goma alabene osemi oko fo gao zamna gomenyia ke gamo ke no na bobwe ta leke ne jagbagba na amegede ajoga mo khambobwe enye aije pakpaji ke ne anyua na namianya ka ba jidu comment fare abahu ne ni va dofia alo jine ni gama va dofia jine ni gavado abi se bo gama va lo gama le miasi lo mino nyama sem momo fia no glo gama lelo fifia de gaba bama kenye mamlito e kuche ke glogodore abafu ke va fia ba ganini ma uko dead ashina mbe mi akowo to le nto ya me
Après ba ma dire ma zamon kokoma educate amo concerning l'appel achogao la na tepe wanu be maybe amado ko ya moten zende dodo ni to nu zamana ni mala gogolo be e kama ba o ko mo zende dodo ni to nu ati anjo ne ma kake enyi pe dodo enye be me va fifila nchome no snifla togo e me nawe kakareji be ajoga yo wa hea maza joga mawe gede akọ adore snifla teme e do mi ave snifla no fifila la akọ be port rose ole akọ be akari oku umewene o which they are all no focho security nyaun america mele boko no ame nawe kakareji be ya dakari nawe ab assembly nene ya jagba apach also se nawe please sube elebe no ko ba jogawe no ko ba jogawa kema ya tianga wa enu gede lesni fly ya ta play motorbike krane akọ young guy wa meve wa no motorbike ji ano snake flat patrol work wa na ba oyile dome kakene nya be mi me kwa jogawo wa ni ma ti awon ma wo many snake flat me de ko ni be mi le ajogawo ko amo complain namza when be yo idoma Niger video le keke tutuo ke le gako gbeglon plan over jonade yo ma feme acho yo penuwe kakenu kajo e ko be yevo dere dodoko wa cho odoku yo bene yo na protection plus security yo nto to ajoga ojojo me kakebele mi agbore ne ma but locally ya o chemi atia ajenale gome ika awebe o ika ajoga o property levy we business operating levy we ta nuka assembly wa na chemi atia plan motorbike wa me ewo alo wa me blave adi de vi wa me blaton youth oya le dodi amado le do wale youth employment fifi la kenya police recruits play new york nene kena ole 800 kena ole tani ba assembly hiten po youth wa me 50 eja bako po motorbike abo wa me 20 ona hehe youth owe ya mi kaka o de municipality kata me be o ne ba mo idomela ya o mi atonye be mi ale surveillance ya no chacha ya kpogbo be tepe yo mi record na efififi numu awolela ya deploy we call you from abiti that is security ne kokuku be police ne do awuyibo ne no fuma ne be mi awon tonto mi wanu ya tia a protect mi aloko ya ke me ko be ajoga o mahe tala nu gede o meten yeju amadi o manna kakareji do ajabe ne bo ka joga ya wa dodo nyi yo hele mi asia ya a implement we please sube yo chewa no idoma wa akọ boju ebe o amadele area me survey ile iwe ihe bo mola ya wa mola nyi ebe o amere le area me ihe be mi yo a ati ayo be o ya ode mi awe le poli down mi ya pe me fifila even the siren alone ikewa kwa cover anabe fi afile asile fima ta dodo ma ole to me ka ko yijia ya be common fan enyawa as I speak to you now we have achievement
yo akpe nukpolo na fifia na gami aje abo ngba TV pandi ona yin aje ke amakoko kpedi kala bonyenye honorable Stephen Adom mi apa momfia alumni municipal chief executive loho afia da kwirako mi apa mayor enyi amajeron paklenye ntonye Tony Macboy mami apron kami apa babion baba mbe onyeba yi maliota majibo mano babion ha chom dodo jireka do menye maloro mo kaka be wona nanya se message kacho rich le ECG who have for the past 2 months now and still counting the persistent power outages and each day low current system which is engulfing the good people of Ho and its surrounding villages. What are you doing about it? Good morning. Joe, chiklo panya yike rich boy abaji mo venya ajoko chinako omogbra na ya kana yo chonchi ha nka o mi bile chonchi majiba na koma fi mi azorengo
o enjo abe rich ECG le do wale lo alobe
abe le area ma
okay okay le jo pe chichi pe nyaoma akobe power yo donade mia mele so strong o ta ewe menye echipe magam echipe pumping chemenye be domahi Ghana water to egbo gale chuchu fifila olo nu yigele jojo yen be power yi ke odude to come odude ni agbole fi ala me senu ike a pump machine ikele pevo ele nu ma wa kake mi report yi ne mi akanu no lawe be sigbehe mi agbole fi ya at least fi ayin meweko kaka na nyako ochijo online kaka about some minute 20 minutes apia gasi play power low current new report no ma obete ta na kakareji ya to be o le do wa leun ta no hoji body nu ya wa ko mi ati an report amesia me kele do apa ika ole ta nemi senya nemi yo ameyo hele do jira enya yo gboro nemi ya elebe mi out nemi ko nemi ko you disseminate to the grassroots
yo onyeba yi ta majiba miapa nyasa loklon polo de wo tenyana mi ke jimle do pa apashakpa ta mi otoga to ko minye ta no question of aba manu dem majaka de kacho bigi gbo bigi dube do message ram cho water afia ebe ma bia obedi ke echi ike maga umuga chifumu pipe panya blomo muga popi kumu ko amofu chifukpem nkenya mwa esenya yawo enyanwi yawo nka o memele chonche
esenya we abele ike mabledungwa Ghana Water na menya be machine ke yo da yo college pump icho peva machine le yo si menye be machine ya gagbeleun ke bon isi to pe power ike o le nana yuwa mete on le machine o power ike ke wa pump echi akodo de ehodo mo ta power low voltage ya ele yo cause fifila kakele ma utala ile dodo wa be machine ole peve pechina bagwa ile mawa. But for the meantime, as I speak to you now, fifilala, ile 30 boreholes so there who paper go log with you, 50, maybe 30 mechanized boreholes so ile all of the fifila. Ta amesia me ile nu ya de place so be ebe chimele ola na cho gallon krala atancho ope motorbike akuchi de o gallon me ayi de tepe makwa akuchi de o gallon me ayi apeme abaza ta ile dodo mio wa as a backup kake we are still pushing for Ghana Water to get enough power to power their machines.
Okay, Agbe. Maga question I can show I say well me George General American me question of questions so non relevant that much me away have me as or script aji I say Joe desia denyo I would not be aware are you considering making any bylaws to regulate can do if you ever kekevio no miakoma the assembly do where miawo ese akole ke kandu kula o zozomplo fonu no le miapentoma to fiarva balo wa marko to ejino we kandu kula o fonu no do mo jesewa
endepe ape kandu kula wa aflache menyo biti ya wananu gbedun amebia de oku ya lo me ya le gbedun forward ike awabe amome wani amedo le kandu kwa obuame ne ko ne nya golonya no ko o wajido kake do le a ume buamu tanu ike wa mi le fifila ni be mi le collaboration wa police we play DVL to be le pekelele mela ni ajawa gba de siade be ameyo ke yo ya ne golonya no ko ube you masoa ya do like me mount barriers way me fish way out and we prosecute them we check ala me aji de feel anya be bala e ko be ese redodo ne le kan do povi ke ko ide quarter ese ade kamele go bi ikawaza ako prosecute you kakai kamala nuko na feel ala parliament pass ese ikawa ko akpolo nyape emokulawe ta fifiela ese le pudon ikenye be ewe amerika o be amia de wala eleko ni namba mela o pe kandu o ules kandu za ko len gbeglo wai tani be mi lawe namba mela o kandu o la yakolo klise amado ko light ado ko te ope kandu kan ku me ikene yebe light ma o kelela ne ku bugo na ne menya o atangere ko tam ese le ni akopolo o bifila amado o me ko license pra apile kandu oji le ku ta bifila la bele ikene yebe ni driver me ko license o mele bena kubu ni akolo wa ikoti ese akolo wa bifila la ese da me beni mi a prosecute we ta system ga chijio jidudu nto wa dodo huhu to cover all these things ni assembly ochela bi wa mi ape dodo we o le gazette re ko no ya gazette re mi ko from march ko ina la akowe mi aje enforcement government
yo ka follow up question to that if I anya biamlo alek miape central ho street so aba to residency to VRCC va do Civic Center mo ma ko mo to hera ba ministry show la fuma do ma kan kata me original minister la fuma mo ma ba de mo fi ko ha do ko la ka ko ba ju ka ka pulo o to la mo oji taro ji wa de la show alon popo de la show bo le wiaro ma lo le ji wiaro ma at least waro na no mi apa Central Streets ya oji ke kandu pleto alo streets aro kandu magano jo taxi yo konye moko ko taxi boat mo o trova el ba atenwa jona na ma abana don kuja fashola le Lagos yo va ko Lagos no fodi ala gbegbe fisha fi okada na alo moto na ko aba mo meton kandu ya blomi le fuma keke na ko ma ba mo maton ai ko yakpa shakpa ka wo ba desa robo sidiki arojia mpomo akuvuya lalio ata jobe miawo na ma dengbe chonwa
o atanjo lenya tepema ho ekeketa fifila kaka isoko de kaka ipenwe koide akwepe kakela yimeten wumo eke duole keketa kekeko akobe moko yo kele duonwa yo kwenye nu yo mile never polile ni apere amelefia wotu ere amelefia chule polimoji kakaba fia bitila ko tare kama gaje moji po evo tepe yala elle kuku ikole be by now bitile be no ko tare no moya oji ne ko tale moya oji a kanu to wati ano do ale moji le tepe ya obiti akode bi otu le fi ayisuku akode bi otu le fi ayitepo ke wa da sile modudu loji ta megbelebe nenyebe nyana root we nyebe kanu kulao enya anyi la medwe lipa be nenyebe mi teple mo vua ni ka oge mi boya mi tule soko de lokwe ko ide soko de bagbele plate fede wa mi ma de mo be kanu ne ide tepe ma o ego menyebe evuyo togbi bona moji zogba play maybe speed limit speed yo watchwa man nyube let me risk amegbeto pa gbebe no kandu mo ta igbo dodo ma o oge dodo ma o mele mi asiri fifila la o le tule soko de etui kakaba ho titri no a do carriage le fima no gbe yakowo be aw speed yo is a bypass ta speed yo vu akule mo majila man yabe kandu na no mo ma oju tule Guinness kaka ide titri no a do carriage kaka yimboda ipeto moja do carriage TDC to bona housing estate te pado a ima na mo benu yu kaka wate anogbome awado tula asigame ide demi ide zongo ide hofedo ide vadume tepo who enclaves la yata namo to boost the economy and then to make them also a viable this thing la ya namo wa wadole tepo gede akamya ba high street ojila ya ba wadodo la assemblyman please sube ya educate wodela tepo mawo maga anye tepo ikawa kukandu akoyo
yo akpe honorable dakpona vale ke makboko na zore miaji heva yi ha chacha mi sita nyave henya tonre ko eli ma bioko ke miacho wona kwa ya kwachi de kanye ba ukikawe na bola dam makraje no puma tochi lo daka kawe nye miokoloji ja lo tam fie ke nya ukio ke kuda do ya mi ke ne ya ba duma view na segoma nai
uhigbanto nyebe edibe tumevio na semebe nyape polola ukiti umeso ameyo ke polo home si baba ya kopere nyinwa nyape tiri meso enyela susunyui ade la sini nyape du yawo lesuwe miao to mi ati awa mi ape du ya me a anye dume ike amo wa avasra mi poni ebo sebe fi ani Oxygen City mi on to mi ati an jira mi agbodo edu jajira odo ko lebe nenye be mebe ta flat ni ma de nu de perifia amereche me kogo be ma de ri o mebe ni ma fo gbedu do re fi o amereche me kogo be ma fo gbedu do re fi ma o efia be ile pepede ni atukro la o ngela emi klo do nuile ajoga o keke a ti be ma da jogo na o be de ni anya me gba to me ti be de ajoga yo le abe dumevio ne home municipal assembly matia to asi enu de kai veton pe o ajoga yo mi kele 2026 ma nu yo mi ko we ya common fan ya ga
was in charge of the demolition of the whole central NPP office. Over enya jojo ikedi ho but Honorable Stephen I don't know that then whole central NPP top office aro gbagba le stadium la po obe gbonyama be yo je japaro enyama lema we no that then alo okay nyama go ma be question as a journalist. Is it merely developmental or it's politically motivated?
No, it's not politically motivated. Probably in no political meaning. Then see no mawela yo le mi ape to plan. Abe asime bi filala me la asime no de le pavement di no get asime la obe yo vote ne NDC. Ya me va le yo de le fini e fo ne ku kero me fi filala e trozo apa. Sekula onu local government minister na mi di congest asi obi payment esema ta kake NDC to obe au asimenyo no o bi vote na mi vo au minisi be yo police come in mega no minisi bo mi ma yingo NPP top office le nyawo ya tepe mede ne yile tepe ma amo tuko shop ono fuma church ono fuma Abia nyebede dokumeva kaka MPP tope office kwa awo ne kaka checho kle tepi obitin ama o le fima o jira tepo na mo amo crowd ke kle pe ne yo hatu jibo ko de fima we evo me o nya kle pa bela menye yo kan ba yo host stadium ni ba onu kemi le ami be o ayin ba mele wa tu host stadium ka kemi to me be ha nyonto jidudu menolawa mile jidudu bayigba o tepe yo waza ko development ne dua nyonto mile ple le nyonto mi abe property o wa chume mele tepo yana take miko voter fair play farmers they call that a host stadium la there was the need to create car parking space again. There was the need to also create the place that Nenyebe Obenuva project. Let me feel as I speak to you now, the Minister for Sports and Recreations is coming. We are coming to refurbish the whole sports stadium. Not what we have done. We are coming to improve on it. We are going to fence all the lands. We are going to fence all those places. All the time la amole yapenu no la flu be ayimba de kamele sports stadium ayimba mele sports stadium si o akefi fi me kele fun mala ko ko pictures ola ke ayimba le fi ya ne me to sports stadium la what an coffee abiti kura wa car park ba mi menya esemenale kakenu ka jo project ma ho ko ide youth essential ma ho ko wani ati an fi keke ni jira lori kaka because la jiludu ikeke le ziji at that time la yon to fe te o ko te pe ma o tala o ma ti akaka fun ma o be o le yo tu mi ya o le fun ma kemi le gogolo be o te pe mele o ayin ba mele ho kaka mi yen sigbe yo enu ma o ya webe ya me jira te fi o lo dara ni me jira lo de be mise for farmers dey play economic fair for very soon la akobe nemi jira sports stadium ndo vola te pe ma bi te ni awe wa ni car park bena ya ba mo va abu ko pa wa obevu wa no fuma
yo mpola honorable Stephen Adom yema ngonda na mi nya babia sosen ke va ke nti no to tronto enye miapa ho sports stadium ike ogbugbo ga troshilenchi ke horo va gare jiru fanyi gbame ike gbogbombe yo kaka plosube amona noi na vo na tampak amoma no sirikejo huma pak sirikejo ke korofia ba eya resource center akọ ire keke ada kulafima chuabole dwagbo fia ba miashile ke ngbalo mia oge medasilo ta do kele yam
obete fema ina perimeter melon na dum kuja menno fuma no bo kola because ina perimeter melete pe wutala ameyo heji duo la ukata oju le stand ejiko cho pekle nuzi oko biti ugere pake ta eya webe umelete paza eju ta tepe mamenye eika ole complete eika ole complete ta ni akogobe tepe machele complete benu yo mi awale fuma wa wele fuma kake sports stadium yi kele mi ape dodo nu le fia ikenenge be o le bofu ahwe reve domain indigenous people we uten zona cho afemeko bankwe aso cho afemeko aide sports stadium akwa abu le kosira utroko aga gbazo ya feme keke awebe local economy le boomina numa o melejiyo eko be na rolia ne wede amodumela e wede amodumela ewenebe le kwabe Accra Sports Stadium osu clean ma obi to fukala tala ne bo peno football le fuma amoyina ina moyina nyebe ni jirudu vana ochela akobela me yola had plenu dudu no jirala oponaga sigbe ko nya goche ole beneno ta miawe
ta Adaputo nkali sagana fia
Adaputo is a youth resource center ta miaja gbabe it is improved to serve the same purpose.
Interesting. All right. Majiji go me ajerurangu Adaplua Youth Resource Center that it will be improved to serve the same purpose. Yo, ma ana mongpopo na blo pireko dodo kawe nya dodo gaon le tomanami apoyame. Do ganton tontolo yo
après le payame là edi mania do ajana nya be TDC to over by February là waje dogome enye do gan o le kepo ho tuge o le mo de bele fuma ne apia do TDC la titri mois ye voici de fuma ye le 24-hour market blibo cho ide fún magbe chegani asigan blibo ile tutugbe na ide akwepa asobli technical le fuma obavunu facility gidi mele fuma we are bringing on board a lot of facilities there to improve the school so that it will become a full-fledged technical school. Netro barracks, Doto Takala, Ide Hojo Tokokuya. As I speak to you now, la, le momaji, contractor le momaji, o le momawa. Nide Lodua de Ohatume. Inye suku hotutu, mi atu suku hode tani nive, nije suku 6 unit classroom block. Comme les niveaux. Il y a 6 unit classroom block vous today. Penguin. Il y a 3 unit classroom block today. Ojo. Il y a le health center today. Bamefedo. Et il y a le health center today. Baglebe. Et il y a le health center ne ati inu. atu accommodation na miape neso le tokokwe agatu accommodation na miape neso le mache technical la na ifuma pefila la ni le 6 unit classroom block tune yoche ni le 30 boreholes bale kama buladungo wane most of the communities in the municipality but a model we are going to do at least 15 kilometers of roads are going to be tarred in the municipality. You has Yajawagbade said you has model doa Yejegome Lepeyame. And we are doing about 7.9 kilometers for a start. And we will continue from the following year. Ta yonye dodoga yo yedetome. And we will bona kake ike eyole asi chope vifila yonye nu yo metwati now.
Your Jejom Ele flat here your initiative to beef up security is laudable, and there's still a need to improve on sanitation and cleanliness. We have there one where amona no centriano mpuchante pa klosuba am blokwa kama no mo fimo enye yaka oba agbe for khlante fa beruru ha for khlante pa nyama ojibo mako a darebo yi ha chacha me sita majibo na puta na mina ne wo mako na puta na mikwa miako no pa akwache
ya ukata kwa dodonyu yo medetuma ega ya miazi ankowe ta nyebe yo da mebena ukeka utoga vivi okula dodo awaiji the do open ya mefonu chongugu bushy areas where men assembly me ba la menya me de do to me be na ye be plan ba wa yin ba le bome me la yin ba jira do wa ya akowe me akolo polise be na jira do ta alo ne we to matan jira do la ke akefe na assembly ya dia mo wa ba jira do na yo nye do yo nya ti awo lo isube ame yo le bome maybe eto apede amele plan gba dem ya pe titi na mi egbe me ba le na re ke wa le ju me le ji clear cho me ba report ni mi ko ni atan kole ese ta ya achu e we ameke gbogbe du dole maybe amedo o complain na nambe you went to ya no te pe ma jirado kake amedo ya la o me cho de kelem ne ko nya ma over nam ko my office is open. I will work on it.
Ya salopun para madakpene honorable be imi pia eva madakpene mi ha toto mi o kedem mi apa ajoro me ma ane mon popo eva wo aputa na mi plenyare kare kwa mia ane mobo joke no va mi apa nyajojo totio me wona jojo me jige ta mi ma pa komo ne mi hodo ma jojo ole Wingba TV po ya valora shi gongongongo abane mi trova mi azono go tamane mon popo honorable Stephen Adom ikenye ho municipal chief executive alo momafia na ho ntoya ikele mi agbo le wotwe le mi apo Wingba TV do fo ikele Jimfuga hostel ma le ho fia be ofwe pe nyauta na mi pirako
yo a pe foni ma dibe ma atakpe nawe abeleke epem ene ma ba akonya o meni mi ape tunifio epanti ni kama biana isia ikonye be susunyo pedodo nyo wata na siwe ene be ma umele moa dodo ma okata ma jeji ta no chokbe dura ko dame benam onu to mano la okete ko be dura ko dame benam ya be sofo no dame benam ko be dura please be dodo yo mi wa ma won to na bagbo na duko bene dodo na jeji ma do de zumefio kata go bere ne be amova ko vi fila be home municipal assembly be pa joga ne na hea e ka dai me bo he wa joga o ne mi akpo mi penkum ne be na dejo because ne be la joga o he e dodo nu if we can get at least 50 to 60% of Nyaba Jogawa, I can assure you, Another. Nyawa politicians were yamu, many technocrats or minube, nebe mi joa at Egawa, yada si was there, a cough, lenu you melebe, no wow. Now make sure there, let me try Jogaola, Uzan Jogao needed, be Nyapedu, home municipal assembly, na idengo. Akwenemi.
Akwe no ha. Yo nkwala Honorable Stephen Adom
minister. Akafe majua. Madibe ni mabiacho ni afenu kola okle ni asela okatango be nemi ayiji nemi ano deni Evenigba TV pom Evenigba TV a over bene yo kwere tu ahun e yo kwere mi ahun nemi awe nenu yata mi yiji nemi tune into Evenigba TV.
Yo, Honorable Stephen Adom, we thank you for the endorsement. Me da kuna vale ke mikbo never wana agoma jamle fia. Mi ha mi mokpombe na kpere mi anchi alobe wonto omuka don kwaklu amuka nye technocrats o amuka for do dalo toma bla wonto ne nana woma na no miakpa na no kuro mjigbo Evenigba TV nye TV ye ikele ho ntome na kpami ko mi kata mi zozo anjo ado ohana wo mi ami gbapade na dua ne gbapade racho ahova mfafia reva na no lia na nkekle ko na yomi kasha na po eya ganye do fo gare e ganye do so he gare o la ntome ta mi dapo no bale ke mi kpo na vaine yo nkola makodo chiche piano matrova mia zorengo Tony Magbo enya plomi.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame?
Yo akpe ne miaƒe ŋkpɔlɔ katã be metsia Vanyigba TV abe miaƒe TV le TV mamlɛawo katã dome he tsaka kpli mi ŋdi sia ŋdi le miaƒe nyadzɔdzɔwo me dzodzo kple wɔnɔ katã yi ke mi ƒu hetso ŋkɔ na be ŋdi wɔna tɔnɛ megbɔe enyea kplɔna mi meda akɔ na mi tɔxɛ tɔtɔtɔ miaƒe Municipal Chief Executive Honorable Stephen Adom yi ke nye miaƒe amekpekpe tɔxɛ yi ke no mia gbɔ eƒo na mi tso yeƒe dutu nuteƒewɔna yiwo ke wòwɔ le ƒe gbãtɔ yi ke va yi me. Ena mienya be dukɔkplɔla His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ƒe dziɖuɖu ya ena ega 10 million Ghana cedis. 10 million Ghana cedis enye ga yi ke wotsɔ na exɔ ŋuto ya. So whole municipality has received 10 million Ghana cedis from the District Assembly's Common Fund, and that's what they're using to finance the development projects so far in the municipality. Ta Honorable Stephen Adom ƒe ɖeɖefia gã aɖe yi ke wɔ na mi ye nye ma be ega 10 million Ghana cedis eli ebe wɔna katã yiwo de to kpe sia kpe yiwo ke yiwo de do anyigba sia anyigba yi ke yiwo ka alo wo alo do sia do yi ke yiwo ɖe ŋutɔ kpa sia kpa gali yi ke be ne dɔwɔlawo katã wo woƒe dɔ ŋua at least 70% can be paid up. Ta suku yiwo tum wole Chiefs Compound alo kɔndzi viviwo tum wole ebe wo tsi wom le ŋuto wo katã me tsi bla etɔ̃ boreholes etsi ke nye mechanized borehole wo ŋu wotsia tso anyigbawo tume anyigba ke wotume ayɔe ve dzi ako mɔ abe woakɔ nɔ kum gbe sia gbe tsi nanɔ anyi ɖe tsikuxe ke dzi le miaƒe ŋutɔ me ta yewo tsi pɔpi ŋɔm le teƒe blatɔ̃ le ho ŋuto ya me ɖeɖe ko and ŋɔ katã 70% payment can be done as soon as the projects are completed. Gblɔ be yewo amedzrodzeƒe tu ge ɖe ho sia me elabe ne yi lɔridzeƒea le ho stationa DPR ƒe teƒe li kã gblagada yi ke yewo ta tu amedzrodzeƒe le abe na amewo tso teƒe vovovowo va tso woƒe agbawo vɛ wɔta mlɔ fuma eŋu nake ke ema anye gɔmeɖokpe ne yewo ƒe 24-hour market system fia be le ke yewo di tome be dɔ nanɔ dzim za kple ke le ŋdi ŋdɔ fie ƒe dɔ dutu wɔna yi ke dukɔkplɔla John Dramani Mahama be tomedega adze gɔme na sia me ta yewo amedzrodzeƒe tu ge ɖe exɔ sia me yi dzi gblɔ be yewo gbagba sia gbagba dze ge be yewoawɔ se kple ɖoɖo ɖe kanɖukuku ŋuti elabe yewo mɔ gã glagadawo dom tso sɔxɔ ɖe la ƒo ke gbɔna be ho eʋu eve nanɔ miame ʋu eve la ɖo ɖusi me katã nɔ to la kasa dzi ɖe ma ta kanɖu ma katã emɔmɔ dzi togo tso Trafalgar lɔƒo yina ɖe ŋgɔgba kpetɔ lɔƒo mɔa keke ge ɖe ma ta yewo ɖoɖo wɔ ge kple su be eʋu aɖewo natɔ fi eɖewo matɔ fi o ana be ʋufɔkuwo na adidi he dzi gblɔ be ame aɖeke megana gbe na no ŋutɔ me ne gbe alo gbeɖuɖɔ le ŋutɔ me ate ŋu age ɖe yi dzi yaya yeƒe office alo dɔwɔƒea le ʋuʋe sia ne va eye nena etokla be ame aɖe na egbeto yewo ƒe aƒeme ke na be anyigba ŋu eka kple dawo wova le teƒe ma yewo gege afi ma ke akpɔkpɔ be yewo na ame ma hegbe ma kple gbeɖuɖɔ katã ɖe ama nu mia yewoakplɔ ama kple se eyawo kple wotɔwoe nya dze wo mi ɖo yi dzi gblɔ be miaƒe sports stadium ƒe tutuwɔna fiafia gɔme dze ge Minister of Youth and Sports bi tome be yewogbɔna refurbishment wɔ ge fiwo katã yewo gbe xɔ ɖewo le wogbɔ ge atu kpɔ ɖe teƒewo katã ale be ne abo wɔna ɖe dzi ma amewo nate ŋu anɔ dua me ko menye woyi keke ŋgɔgba ɖaa yi ke amewo mele o ana be nudzralawo ahadzralawo sɔhɛwo akpo dɔ awɔ eyawo kple tɔwoe nye miwo ko gbɔna mi eŋu hã gblɔ be eye va mama ɖe ene me egadze ga yiwo ke nya dzɔga yiwo dzɔna to míaƒe asiawo me dzi so there's a 25% increase in IGF ta ne nya lɔfa ɖeka nye ga yi ke assemblia dzɔna to amewo ke nye tax alo do tikiti yiwo ko nɔ mama kple tɔ katã ƒe ƒuƒoƒoa yɔ 125 alɔfa ɖeka bla eve vɔ etɔ̃ dze dzi míawo katã enye míawo mata gblɔ be mi kpɔ tso adze yi ke mi ɖo kple Honorable Stephen Adome yo enya ke nya gãtɔ le Ghana enya ke nya gãtɔ le Ghana katã mi tsɔ fia mi tso miaƒe ŋutɔ me heyi le Ghana ɖi etsɔ ŋdi ko akɔdada wɔna gɔmedzege le New Patriotic Party me ena be ŋuwo dzi makpa kple ve amewo nya gblɔɖiwo nam ameawo projections na amewo be yewo ku ŋuwo me amewo va ta amewo ƒe ŋusẽ yewo ɖo kpe dzi be amea la kɔ da ge na ta míadze gɔme tso Info Analytics ƒe adzaro ɖo kple míaƒe sister station ɖeka míakpɔ nu gblɔm le be anye akɔdame tso ne mi tso afi ma míakpɔ ka gblɔm ame yiwo ke woti ƒum ame ve koŋkoŋkoŋ ye dzedzem fia be wobe ata tso flaga gbãtɔ nye Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ame aɖewo hã be Ken Ohini Adjepɔn ta míayi míase Info Analytics ƒe adzroɖoa míatrɔ gbɔ.
I am a man of few words.
Yeah.
I just say the numbers and I leave it there. Few comments around demography to understand why the numbers are looking the way they are looking. When I do triangulation, it gives me comfort that all the areas we've looked at, the data set, is pointing to one direction. And that direction is that Bawumia would win this Saturday election one touch.
One touch.
We are saying that based on our model, his lowest score will be 54%, which is the 57% that we gave him minus 3% margin of error. Or he will get 57 plus 3. That is maximum 60%.
I'm inferring that if any one of these 5 candidates will cross 50 plus 1, it would only be Honorable Kennedy Ohene-Agyapong. In other words, we do not in any way see any of the 4 candidates crossing a 50 plus 1.
Yo, nkpɔla bwachidankwa ike nye Info Analytics tɔwo ƒe dɔmega yi ke dena ŋku akɔda nyawo me he te amewo ƒe ŋusẽ kpɔnɔ ƒe tamesusuwo tso akɔ yi ke dage mi gbɔna be me ma eƒe adzema mi dzeɖoɖo ma mi kpɔ le míaƒe sister station ɖeka yo ke kpi ɖe koa ya gbɔgblɔm be Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ye dziɖuge bɔbɔe ke etsɔ yi ke va yi Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia hã eƒo ŋu mamlɛtɔ ne amekpekpewo yiwo ke ƒuƒo ge etsɔ le akɔ yi ke dage mi le ɖo ŋku dze me ke le ƒo ŋutɔ mea yiwo ke be woanya fi ke NPP tɔwo kɔ dage la wona mianya be wola ƒe kpɔ me ya akɔdada wɔna dzi ge adze gɔme etsɔ ŋdi abe ganyimɔ ke ga ave kɔ ko wo ŋu Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ƒe enya mamlɛtɔ yi ke wogblɔ ne yeƒe ame yiwo ke le eyome enyea misi mi gbɔna.
What will be your final words to our polling station executives who are going to take that final decision on Saturday?
Well, I think that this is a very important moment in the history of our party. We are electing a flag bearer who will take us into the 2028 election. The 2028 election is a very, very important election. And I think that what is clear in Ghana's political history is that parties that present candidates that are prepared, that are well marketed, that are formidable, tend to win. And that political consistency matters in our politics. There is no, in the history of the MPP, no presidential candidate who has been brought for the first time has ever won a presidential election. You know, you look at Edu Boahim, he did not win first time. President Kufuor, he did not win first time. President Akufo-Addo, he did not win first time. And Dr. Bawumia did not win first time. But every presidential candidate who has been repeated in our presidential politics in the MPP, every presidential candidate who has been repeated has won an election for the MPP. And so Kufuor was repeated, he brought us power. Nana Akufo-Addo was repeated, he brought us power. So I'm telling the delegates to repeat Dr. Bawumia so that by the grace of God, I will bring us power in 2028.
In Ashanti, the message is clear. This is not the end of a tour. This is rather the beginning of a mandate. For them, Saturday, January 31st is not about experiments. It's about experience, service, and trust. It is about who can lead and unite the NPP and move the party forward for Victory 2028.
Yo, nyasala plan kola. Miaf tukoplo la hoko fa parento yi kanya flaga cholane NPP la ko ekemida fo ekaba yime. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud ba miaf badashi ma obano chone MPP delegates wa amyokenye amachachanto ho alo kamchio yo ke bona kodagala echo fo akoike dagola ne aflaga chocho me ke onya pire kwenye be enhia be party anacho ameke nye amawunte pe ameke ayike nchi ashile ela be meshama jashi ba omia kule na Ghana ye no tiketi ajikpo bai alo ye yike ponte pe ye nyameke ejawu be yacho aflagane NPP a eji blove cho 1992 waro egba kemi mpoma mojo popo amare ge la flaga jine patia jigbanto koko bijipo Professor Edu Boahim ike cho flaga ne patia cho 1990 mwaka waro 92 afio dakoa modujio ala benye jigbanto wowe ke Edu Boahim wa ya eji blove je ekufo ha cho flaga jigbanto be nyanya du koplola le 1996 na donkuji ala be Edu Boahim ye anwama kpe 1992 we ko da shinchi na kufo maduji 1996 kaka 2000 na kufo fa duji na donkuji e wazo du koplola ne Ghana taklo Ghana to 2000 varo 2008 ke kufo produko he joina na ado dankwa Akufo Addo jawa wa cho flaga na NPP ne aka ayi doike Kufo jegomoji cho 2008 kaka makbe dashi jianchi ne J.A. Mills na donkuji so Professor Mills wazo tokopola la benana ado dankwa Akufo Addo anya shi gbanto ihe jawa wa ya cho flaga tawudu nanaji le akodada mame le 2008 October 2012 oga buji ke 2012 ma ye dukoplola yikeleji jifia nyapo dukoplola JDM John Dramani Mahama ohodo akro kaka varo 2016 afi nana ado dankwa Akufo Addo ikaja waga cho flaga jibo ji tonlia tenduji na lala kajibo mshona kodeje shibo le yo ƒe party ƒe kɔnu a ame aɖeke metsɔ na flaga si gbãtɔ ɖu adzi o ta na ame aɖe yi ke le fli ma me fia eŋu ƒom tso Kennedy Agyapong, Brian Achampong, Eric Osei Educhum kple Kwabena Adzeŋtsi no wo dometɔ ɖe dze agbagba be yeatsɔ flaga me yewo kpa ge le akɔ yake da ge mi gbɔna le 2028 me eye Bawumia yi ke amewo nya da ɖi ƒoƒo yi ke va srɔ̃ yi ke kpɔ nuteƒe yi ke nye vice president kpɔ yi ke ŋu nyam tsɔ le yi ke wowɔnɛ kple mɔwɔnɛ yi ke va le aƒeme fia gbogbo ge ɖe ɖokui me dzi ɖe ɖokui ɖe nyuia ye wòdze be atsɔ flaga kple susu be NPP na ɖu dzi bɔbɔe le eƒe tɔn ƒe akɔ yi ke da ge mi gbɔna me. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ƒe enyagba alo ŋgɔxlɔ̃ mamlɛtɔ ne NPP tɔ ye ma me mi dzro. Ke míatrɔ ɖe Ken Ohini Agyapong ŋuti ehã eko gbedeasi mamlɛ aɖe kɔ da ɖi ne yeƒe yomenɔlawo elabe ehã xɔ dzi se be tɔtrɔ ehia míase Ken Ohini Agyapong ƒe gbedeasia afi míatrɔ ava ayewona dzi.
Dear delegates, let me begin by expressing my sincere gratitude to each of you for the warm reception you extended to me during my visit to your various constituencies. I deeply appreciate the hospitality, openness, and engagement you showed throughout my time with you. On Saturday, you will not merely elect a flag bearer, you will determine the direction of our party. You will send a message to the nation. You will decide often after elections, the grassroots feel forgotten. Polling station executives feel neglected. Constituency officers unsupported. That must change. And I say it must change. Under my leadership, delegates' welfare will not be an afterthought. It will be a priority. The cycle of sacrifice followed silence must end. I will establish structured delegate welfare framework. We will maintain a formal registry of active delegates to ensure recognition and inclusion. We will create a transparent welfare support to assist delegates facing genuine hardships. Loyalty must be respected. Sacrifice must be acknowledged. Commitment must be protected. Delegates' welfare will not depend on proximity to power. It will be institutionalized, fair structured, and transparent. The forms I have been sharing during my tours are not symbolic gestures. They are the beginning of a system that ensures no loyal delegates feels left out again. Let me also add, I'm aware that some of you delegates have been told that if you vote for me, you will be removed from the delegates album or punished afterwards. I bet you it can never happen. Trust me and believe in me that all of you will be protected the D-Day. The delegate album is not a weapon. It is a constitutional record of party service. It must never be used to intimidate loyal members of this party. I do not believe in fear. I do not believe in revenge politics. I will not tolerate any attempt to shrink the party by threatening its grassroots. Be rest assured of this. The MPP was built on courage. MPP was built on internal democracy. So I say to you, stand firm. Canada Japan, I stand for industrialization. It's industry, industry, industry. Employment, employment, employment. Jobs, jobs, jobs. What we need in this country is employment for the youth of this country.
Yo míaƒe nukpɔlawo eda akpe na mi be mi li kplim le nye wɔna tɔxɛ ke mi ɖe ŋkɔ na be indi wɔna le Ʋenyigba TV dzi Tony Magboe enyea miakplɔm akpe na mi. Meda akpe na mi miabe message siwo ke gbɔnye va hã ma dzidzɔ mo katã xlẽ ke fifi lae ko mia awɔ vɔ do ŋgɔ meɖɔ dze kpakple miaƒe municipal chief executive honorable Stephen Adom tso nuteƒe yiwo ke ya kple eƒe dziɖuɖu te wɔ le eƒe gbãtɔ yi ke yi va yi me kple ŋugbedodo yiwo ke gale toa me yi ke mi mekpɔm be woawɔ edzi enye adze tɔxɛ ke mi eɖo yo ke afi ma ayi dometsotso ma me na mi nya be nu yi ke nye nu gã dzra anyi le Ghana katã fia ke ame sia ame ŋku tso ŋuti nye kɔ yi ke da ge NPP tɔwo le tsɔ no ƒe flaga tsɔ la ke ame eve yiwo ke gbagba dzem be yewoatsɔ aflaga ne partia woɖe woƒe tamesusuwo gblɔ le woƒe gbedeasi mamlɛa me ke eyi ke mi se fia hafi metrɔ va mia gbɔ enye ke wohi miadze kpɔm ƒe ŋƒo yi ɖe kɔ gblɔ be yewo ŋuteƒe abe dunyaheha ene le Ghana tso eyi ke mɔkpɔkpɔ va be yewoakplɔ dukɔa le ƒe akpe 2 me tututu yewo do ŋusẽ ɖokusi sitsalawo dokushi sicha habobo yodo mo yodo suku ke ganto e ko wonye bo yo jagbana suku de defama he yiji ale gbegbe le secondary school me anya ngute pe ko wale gbegbe kaka afokwa ba jori oji yo va me yo pa kachacha kle yo ple amegbulo kle sirika jo kenya kodala o to me ngma enye nane kenye kuhialo gbagba pare ke vana ako ikemida lako ikeva ima mava de yoju vana ba yo azwa hono lo yo ko che ko tu plong sele ke ata yo yo do mieto na du ko poplo le ko ke gbona me ala ba me ko durango ke la flagara shia yo pona ko ngbe ko nuona ko ta so plenya mbodu le ko dutu wona yo ko de to me afi da ko ni ta ehia bo amashame kenya kamachi ka kona ko daga cho na pede jiba ye kene di ohina je po nya me kenya dutula yin to nya shichala wo ntepe ye na do amagaro ye mo ko su ko ko ga ke ya fora ma bo ko ko la ne da ya ta mashame ka baba ga cho be anda ko na da ko na ya ken ohini a japan heiji to da na mashame be wo pede je no hia le bo maraka maka chue ka gbe abakodon achashim ne amagble kwarko ehia ba ba dakolo rum hunya kama no mieli doto ble dekle mi de ble dora kama no ni chona ba dako pile ko na ya pome ala ba won to de no hia ejiba manya va wom yolo manya hunya hom yolo akoko dam yolo ba yo chome ke anye aflaka chola na yo iji globa manya aflaka chola de ko jimiolo ameke atengwa duji azudu koklo la ejimiole tamusu mane dora la momo be yoko dam na flagachola ameke na flagachola ka aten kanye du koklo la ejimiole ta amavejimo yola la chofon ka kama kaye kana ya japon ya meke atanwa do mavea eji globe menye ava beji yolo ta yo paklo vokata elanya ye dujo elanya mo buare dujo eje be yo woreka ta ehia be yo je tamo bubucho mi ke jojoge lenka ke o ke gbona me necho dura eje be yo woreka abe party ase no gome eju bezaza amete dudu lipi pe do duame ple gbon didi amanono le ya valaoji le tutopo makata mehia majibo ejina no ta egbogbombe ne mi dafu alo yo dafu la ameke achofla Ghana yo chachama ke mi dejifo na Ghana to alaba fisha fake yo yi la mchang to katama nkpolao nyaselo amekum le party amoha uno gbona yo be ne kenava ke yo da kone MPP ne kenava ke yo da kone MPP ta emafia be ne yo mojibe yo no opposition me ano pomajiji yo kajibona mo popo ya be ya cho flaga alebe ya tu eduaro egbedashi mamle cho ken ohini a Japan yema ma akhlnami yo macho mo popo ya da pene mi o ke dem ya pa jero mo mo won an se mi anko cho Libya Quarters le again me da peno Teresa ha se mi anko cho community 18 Augustina se mi anko cho Fodome Rich akwesuka se mi anko cho ho electricity ntoma me da kono ha Honorable Victoria Yawa Mefaji ha enu me ko na se mi anko cho North Tongue DC onye le North Tongue madogbana Honorable Delali ha se mi anko le Trafalgar adogbana mi to here ke macho mo pokwa ade akpagana na me ko no mi agbo sha na me ko sha mi lena mi afa TV adashi tototo nyonto mi afa do samian kocho aplau eshaiko ele otivia goma dakpono do lady hasemian ko egba cho deme amekata do babioram mayomi afanko kata madakpona mi Vincent asemian kocho dakpa Fidel asemian kocho Joje ke anyonam semian kocho alae ke amme toheraka Patience Ahujo esemia kocho ada pro ebe shai abo embativiko esana Tony McBoy enya plomi meda kpe na mi abe ale ke mi wɔ ɖeka kplim le egbatɔ me, egbatɔ hã ƒe seɖoƒe ye nye ya. Matso mɔkpɔkpɔ ada kpe ne nye dɔwɔhatsiwo katã kple ame yiwo ke nɔ mɔ gbɔ hafi nye ŋufo kple nye nɔnɔmetatawo katã wodze le wɔna me. Akpe gãtɔ mamlɛa eyi ne Honorable Stephen Adom, Municipal Chief Executive ne Ho Municipality yi ke kpe ɖe ŋutinye míedzro enyawo me egba. Kɔsia me ne nyo na mi, miamewo ke miaƒe lɔlɔ̃tɔwo le dzeme, miamewo ke miaƒe lɔlɔ̃tɔwo le kpefafa dzi le egba ƒe ŋkekea me, mitso mɔkpɔkpɔe ado baba na mi tso Ʋenyigba TV. No hiã be miaɖe kugbeƒã na woa, ge ɖe miadze le Dzimfuga Hostel ale be miakpe ɖe ŋutsi le emɔ katã wɔwɔ me. Emene nyo na mi. Bye bye.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of